Fitting more movement into your day, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to this instructional video on how to fit more movement into your day. In today's sedentary lifestyle, finding ways to stay active is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Whether you're working from home, studying, or just going about your daily routine, incorporating more movement can make a significant difference. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you get started. Step 1. Morning stretch routine. Start your day with a gentle stretching routine. Stretching helps improve flexibility, circulation, and can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Spend 5 to 10 minutes focusing on various muscle groups, like your neck, shoulders, back, and legs. Step 2. Active commuting. If possible, consider active modes of transportation. Walking or biking to work, school, or even just to run errands can add a considerable amount of movement to your day. Plus, it's a great way to enjoy fresh air and clear your mind. Step 3. Desk exercises. Whether you're working or studying, there are plenty of exercises you can do right at your desk. Shoulder shrugs, seated leg lifts, and seated twists are excellent options to keep your muscles engaged. Remember to take short and regular breaks to stand up, stretch, and walk around. Step 4. Lunchtime walks. Use your lunch break as an opportunity to take a brisk walk. Invite a colleague or a friend to join you. Walking not only burns calories, but also helps improve mood and creativity. Step 5. Stair climbing. Instead of using the elevator, opt for the stairs whenever possible. Stair climbing is a fantastic cardiovascular workout that also engages your leg muscles. Start with a few flights and gradually increase the number as you get more comfortable. Try skipping steps or moving quickly for a quick heart rate rise. Step 6. Active leisure. Instead of spending your leisure time sitting, choose active recreational activities. This could include dancing, playing a sport, hiking, or even gardening. Find something you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Step 7. Keep your dog happy. Walking your dog, or a friend's dog, is a great way to get movement while also socializing and getting outside. Listen to your dog. Step 8. Evening stretch and relaxation. End your day with another stretching session. Focus on relaxing your muscles and releasing any tension built up throughout the day. Incorporating deep breathing or light yoga can also help you wind down. Step 9. Setting movement goals. To ensure you're consistently incorporating movement, set achievable goals. Start with a step counter and some reasonable step goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration as you progress. Find a friend to keep you accountable and set group goals. Congratulations! By following these steps, you're well on your way to fitting more movement into your day. Remember, the key is consistency. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and energy levels. So, let's commit to moving more and living a healthier, more active lifestyle. Thanks for watching.